Want to sell AI Receptionist to local business even if you're a beginner and have zero experience? Most people think it is way too complicated, but in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact system that hundreds of beginners are using today to make a monthly recurring income step by step. And the best part is I'm going to be giving you my AI Receptionist completely for free so you can test it and immediately start selling this as soon as possible. So I'm not gonna waste any of your time. I'm just gonna jump right into this. So the first thing I wanna do is actually show you what an AI Receptionist is. Check this out.
Hello, you've reached Evercrest Realty. This is Rebecca. How can I help you today?
Hey Rebecca, how you doing? I'm trying to sell my house ASAP.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And it sounds like you're ready to make some moves. Selling your house ASAP. Got it. Let's get started. Could you share the property address and any details about the house? For example, is it a single-family home, condo?
Actually, I just want to ask you a question before you bring a realtor in. And that is, do I even need a realtor to come to my house, or can I just do this all on my own?
Great question. Selling a house on your own, also known as for sale by owner, FSBO, is definitely an option, but it comes with its own challenges. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. 1. Pricing expertise. Realtors have access to market data and tools to price your home competitively. Without that, it can be tricky to hit the sweet spot. Too high and it sits on the market. Too low and you leave money on the table. 2. Marketing power. Realtors list your home on the MLS, multiple listing service, which gets it in front of thousands of buyers. They also
Rebecca, sorry to interrupt. Let's just schedule an appointment ASAP.
Got it. Let me check the available slots for you right away. One moment. Here are the earliest available slots. Today, January 6th at 3 p.m., 5 p.m.
Let's do January 6th at 3 p.m. January 6th at 3 p.m.
Perfect. To book your appointment, I'll need your email address so we can send you the confirmation details. Could you please provide your email?
Yes, Declan the Wizard 1234879226370 capital D.
Thanks, Declan. Just to confirm, your email is DECLANTHEWIZARD1234879226370 at. Could you clarify the domain part, like Gmail, Yahoo?
At gmail.com. At gmail.com.
Gotcha, got it. So your email is DECLANTH.
So I can keep going. Obviously, you get the point, but the power of this is that I can legitimately go in, set these up, and these AI receptionists can do customer support and sales 24/7. Businesses will pay a premium for this. Guys, there is nothing like this. You saw, I was trying to throw it off. I was asking the AI receptionist all kinds of different things, being goofy, being silly, just to show you that it can literally think smarter than a human. I gave it a ridiculously long email and it can repeat it back to me like that. That is the power of this. You can also take these exact same AI receptionists and put them in on websites to make the website speak. So we can also do it on the website. Check this out.
Hello, you've reached Evercrest Realty. This is Rebecca. How can I help you today?
How you doing, Rebecca? I'm trying to sell my house.
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
So I could keep going and going and going. But the point is that these AI receptionists can legitimately do sales and customer support 24/7. And the cool part is we can also sell these for anywhere from $297 a month to $497 a month. Now you can go higher, but this is the recommended price point. And if you do this properly, and if you set this up, you can collect recurring checks with very little upfront work every single month for doing sales and customer support for local businesses. This is how powerful it is. And the cool part about this too, okay, other than me just giving you the AI receptionist for free, is that this is a completely unsaturated business model. If you come onto Google, and I actually recommend you do this right now, type in any niche, any business, and put a state in, and go to each one of their websites and look and see if they have like an AI receptionist like this, or you call their number and it's an AI employee. They don't. At least at the time of making this video, this is completely unsaturated. There's so many businesses that need this that don't have this. Like right now, this is the gold rush of online businesses. I'm telling you guys, I've been in this industry for a while. There is nothing like this. And the cool part is that because these are so easy to set up, which you're about to see me set up in a sec, don't worry, I will show you. It is an insane price point for the amount of work you have to do because it's very, very little. So before I go over the setup of your free AI receptionist that I'm giving you, I just want to let you know is that I am different than the other gurus, okay? I'm not trying to sell you some outdated course or some high-ticket coaching program. None of that, okay? So that's the first thing. Put your credit cards away. You don't got to worry. Second thing is this is really, really important. I've actually walked the walk. So I've won a ton of awards, as you see on the screen right here, for basically having a really good AI agency. A lot of people cannot claim to do that. So I'm not just seeing stuff online and regurgitating it to you. I've actually done it. So that's why I'm trying to give you something that really works. So those are the two things I just want to let you know right off the bat so you can kind of be at ease. And I'm trying to show you something that actually works. And again, I want to make this clear. There's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme. Some people online are posting stuff like, oh, just click a couple buttons and get rich. That doesn't exist. If they're telling you that, they're either scamming you or they think you're an idiot. Everything takes work, but certain things you can basically set up and do less work. That's just the way this works. It's no such thing as getting rich quick. So that's another thing too. I'm trying to be transparent with you. And also before I set up, if you have any questions at all during this video, drop them in the comments down below and I will answer them personally. That way we can be transparent and on the exact same page. So with that being said, let's go in to set this up so you can see just how easy this is. So when you get this free AI Receptionist, you're going to go right down to AI agents and come right into voice AI. I'm going to talk about high level in a sec. Don't worry. I first want to show you the setup so you can see how easy this is. Because again, goal is transparent. I want to show you how easy this is. So you come right in here when you have your AI agent, and this is all you have to do to set this up. Okay. You can leave everything else the same because I've already done the work for you, but you can change the name of the agent here and the business name. Other than that, everything is already configured. I've even configured the advanced settings for you so this thing sounds realer. Don't go in and play with this, because it's just going to be more work for you. Now, you can if you want to, but I've already set this all up perfectly. So then we're going to come to agent goals. So we come to agent goals. Everything else looks the same. If you did change the name and the business name, you just come change these right here. Okay. And don't worry, guys. I'm going to show you the selling part of this in a sec. So don't worry about that. Other than that, this looks good. Again, I wouldn't be changing stuff because I've already done the work. Then what you need to do is you need to select the right phone number. So you can either buy one for like $1 inside of high level, or you can basically do call porting and you take their number and put it in, which does take longer, but it can be done. And that way you have a phone number to select from. Then from there, you just click save and you're done. That's literally it, because I've already built out this AI agent called Rebecca already for you for free. And I have more of these if you want them. So comment down below if you want more of them. I can just send them to you for free. Again, I'm not trying to sell you these AI receptionists for a couple $100. You can just have them for free. But that's how simple it is. When it's already set up, it is that easy. Like, I've never seen something this simple where you're legitimately solving business problems. Now, here's the next part, because you look at this and you're like, this is pretty cool, but will business owners really see the value in this? Well, here's the thing, and this is what's really unique about this business model, and this is why a lot of businesses, especially local businesses, need this and will pay price points like this for this. Here's why. With a lot of other online services, you're selling them something they may or may not need. It's an add-on. So if you're doing advertising, e-commerce, selling shoes, like these are things that like they could get without. But with local businesses, they almost are always taking phone calls. I mean, maybe with a rare exception of a couple, but almost every single business from every niche, from lawn mowing to chiropractic to custom, window shades, you name it, they're going to be taking calls. This is like the foundation of business: calls, emails, texts, the basic stuff. With this, you're coming in and selling them on something they're already doing. Not an add-on. It's not like, hey, buy this website, or hey, buy this, special automation. And where it's like, well, maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. But it's like you come in and you sell them on something they're already doing. You see the difference? Like, psychologically, it's an easier sell. And this is so important that you get this, because so many people are out here on YouTube telling you guys to sell random shit. Again, I didn't win all of these awards for nothing. Okay, I understand what's going on here. And when you do this the right way, which hopefully you will, you're just going to be solving ongoing problems. And when you solve ongoing problems like sales and customer support via the phone, via the receptionist, businesses will have no problem paying for it. And guys, I'm telling you, if you can understand that, that is the key to all of this, is solving problems. We're not here just trying to make money for no reason. We're trying to solve problems that then make us get paid. You see the difference? A lot of people are out here just selling shit, when in reality, you just got to solve very narrow problems, and that's how you'll get that recurring money. I'm telling you, it's very simple, but a lot of people, for some reason, seem not to do it. So with that being said, well, how do you set up this free AI Receptionist? Well, don't worry, it's still free, but I have this all on Go High Level, which is an AI-powered software. Okay, and this is where I have all my AI agents. Now, here's the thing, because I know what you might be thinking. Oh my gosh, he's going to sell me on something now. He lied. No. What I've done is I've talked to the team at High Level, and I've worked it out to get you a 30-day extended free trial. Not a 14-day, an extended 30-day free trial. That way you can just try this for 30 days, which is a good period of time. And if you don't like it, you can cancel after. That way you have a risk-free option, because I hate when you go online and you try to do stuff and they're like, okay, here's this free thing, and then, pay a bunch of money, or here's the thing, and then they sell you another thing. None of that. Come in, try it out, and if you really hate it or don't like it, no sweat off your back, you can leave. It is that simple. I want that risk-free option. Now, here's the thing I want to do on top of that, because you might come in and be like, well, I just have this software and I don't know how to sell it. I don't know how to do anything. I want to give you another thing. I want to give you access to my community for free. That way, in the 30 days, you can try all of this. So when you come into my community, not only do you get access to a bunch of places where you can be with winners and ask people questions, you get access to all of my trainings. Okay, tons of them. We have tons more AI receptionists you can have completely for free. All of this is free. You see right here, free. There's no upsells. These are all modules. It's yours. Don't worry. I'm not trying to sell you on anything. You come in here, this way you can get help. But on top of this, at the time of this video, we have 7 live coaching calls you can attend for free. Yes, no, I'm not upselling you. Come right in here. You can even talk to me. And guys, we have real agency owners that you can talk to. Real agency owners that are actually selling AI receptionists and doing this exact thing you're doing. Not just random people I got off the street. And again, all of this is free. So, I'm going to be honest. There's no one that's doing what I'm doing. No one is giving this much stuff away for free. And you might be like, well, this is too good to be true. He's got to be scamming me somehow. It's not. And that is not the case. It's that I believe in my product so much. I believe in this community so much. I believe in this AI-powered software so much that I'm willing, okay, to give it away all for free so you can try it out. That's how sure I am. A lot of these other guys that are trying to sell you really quick, like, give me 10 grand, do this, do that, they're not super sure because they know if they can't lock you in on a price point, it may or may not work. Now, you still have to work hard. You can't just click buttons and get rich. There's no such thing as that. There's also no guarantees. But if you are willing to work hard and you have this, you can make amazing things happen. So again, you get all of this for free when you sign up with that 30-day free trial link down below. That's it. It's as simple as that. But if you don't believe me, you're like, this guy in a robe is just yapping. Because I can't do that. I can just talk all day about how great this is. But what I could also do is I could just quickly show you that this is real and that people have actually succeeded doing this. So let me quickly show you that.
Agency wise, we're hitting 30 plus a month, and
30,000 a month.
Yeah,
I landed 4 in my first month. I just hit the ground running with your model. I landed $1,000 for one client, a battery retail store, and then $2,500 a month for a self-storage facility. They have 3 self-storage facilities in the area of Sydney, and then $250 a month for a hairdresser and $250 for a cleaner. That was my first month of landing those.
Wait, so were those recurring or one time?
Recurring.
If you remember, when I started on with you, I was broke, right? I was unemployed. And thanks to your help, Declan, and the partnership, I was able to sell 3 clients this month, one for $1,000 recurring, $1,500 recurring, and $2,500 recurring.
So I'm at about a solid 11, 12 clients right now. But I am scaling, other opportunities are presenting themselves.
So to date, since started working with you, I've made a lot of money. So probably well over $47,000.
It's amazing. Yeah. How much you got per month now? Close to.
So this month we're going to eclipse 50K.
Look at that. My God. So that's it, guys. I think it's pretty legit. You may not, I don't know. But if you don't, tell me in the comments down below so I can have a conversation with you. That's my goal, full transparency. And I hope you're seeing that. I'm trying to show you everything like I showed you before, demoing it, setting it up. I even have videos on my channel. If you want to, comment down below and I'll send them to you that go over how to sell this to local businesses, the sales pitches, everything. Like, I am probably the only person on YouTube. And if you can find someone, let me know, because I don't think they exist, that gives away this much stuff for free. It's because I know it will work. Again, you have to actually try and do stuff. I've just seen so many success stories that I really believe in this. So if you have any questions, drop them down below. If you are interested, click the link down below. But I think you're really, really going to like this. But what I want to do now is I want to link another video at the end that goes more in depth of what you get when you join. It just goes over, it's a short video, but it covers like the community, how this works. Because a lot of people, when they first come in, are like, this is way too good to be true. They don't believe me. I've had people come in and they'll basically get courses for like $10,000, $15,000 in masterminds. And they'll come into my free program and they'll say, like, this free course legitimately had more value than the $15,000 thing. I get it all the time. People are shocked at it, but that's my goal. Give it away to you. So if you don't believe me, watch the video at the end of this or drop a comment so we can talk about it. But I'm fully transparent. I really am. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you are interested in really taking this to the next level and selling AI receptionists to local businesses, watch the video that pops up at the end of this one because I think it will change everything.